Updating data, for instance, real-time stock data or other fast-changing information in a template is much easier with the introduction of Update Service in Viz Pilot Edge 3.2. The data will update live on air. It's totally hands-free. First, ensure that Update Service is installed with Pilot Data Server. Check that it is running, responsive, and can be reached from Media Sequencer. Once you've done that, open Template Builder and go into Template Properties. Scroll down to Update Service. None indicates that data will not update automatically. Select Pilot Update Service to execute scripts written in Template Builder. You can then select between the various action options. Take, to get the graphics on air. Read, used to preview the graphics on an external Viz engine. Update, updates the data in an element that's on air. Queue, set graphics in the first frame of the animation of the renderer. External is for when you are using custom scripts from an external web server. You just enter the URL in the field. How often it updates is determined in the settings in the Data Server Configuration Pilot Settings page. If you'd like to learn how to connect data to your templates, check out the updated Template Builder course in Viz University. I'll show you now another example of how Update Service can be used to update data-driven graphics automatically while the graphic is on air.